Fuck girl. When start follow God, girl 34 angel. No one, no. If we start follow God, girl 34 angel. Cause guess what? My channel, my channel, my channel, my channel, my channel of about real people. Right now. I'm telling you, the perfect. No, you're not the perfect. You're not the perfect. Just keep it real and put the most high first. That's all I want do. Uno do. Put the most high first. Hear me as a man, big woman, big man. Make me tell you this, young girl, young boy. Make me tell you this. There is a whole lot of things going on in our life. When you know this, he could be a rich man. Face tribulation, in face trouble, in face war, in face all type of things. Nobody worry, nobody worry. He could be savior, yes, the savior, which is the most high. Yeah, them call him Jesus. Let me tell you this, there was a lot of things, young many things. Him come face on earth. So who is me and you? We not put him first. Hear me as a man. Don't do no evil to nobody. Don't do no evil to nobody. Put the most high first in put the most first in Hear me as a man. All I got, girl, 24.